Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Answer, where is? Welcome, Manan sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alaikum salam.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
जी शायद आप पिछले 3 दिन से हमारी क्लास को रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं ना?
नहीं, इधर 2 दिन क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं हो पाई।
जी जी।
वो क्या है कि
ये
इंटरनेट का प्रॉब्लम था, तो इसलिए 2
ये
क्लासेस
कुछ
का
जी कुछ
रिकॉर्ड।
स्टूडेंट्स है, वो लोग कॉल करके पूछ रहे थे, सर
हाँ,
आप क्लास का रिकॉर्डिंग चाहिए हमको, रिसीव नहीं हुआ करके बोल रहे थे वो लोग।
नहीं आज से
तो
इंशाल्लाह कंटिन्यू रिकॉर्ड होते हैं और अपडेट भी करते हैं इंशाल्लाह। So just inform them and all the students. I would like to say, don't worry. Please focus your class. We will update inshallah.
ग्रुप में मैसेज डाल देना था कि कैंडिडेट्स थोड़े नहीं आए।
Actually, already I inform in chat box to all the students, and some students also send me messages and ask about the video recording. मैंने
ओके
कहा बताया उन्हें कि प्रॉब्लम है नेट्स का, सो वी कैन नॉट एबल टू रिकॉर्ड में रिकॉर्डिंग वीडियोज अपडेट इन ग्रुप। इंशाल्लाह सुन करते अपडेट आज से इंशाल्लाह होता, ठीक है ना?
इंशाल्लाह।
हाँ, चूंकि जो प्रॉब्लम था वो सॉल्व हो गया, सो डोंट फिकर।
तो अभी मैं क्लास कंटिन्यू करूँ अभी?
हाँ, आप क्लास शुरू कर सकते।
Participants who attended yesterday's class, kindly reply me, okay? Unmute yourself. What I'm asking, kindly give me answers, okay? Yesterday, how many members attended my class? Kindly raise the hand and unmute yourself. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 members, 9, okay. Okay, yesterday I shown you how to draw a staircase. Okay, now more 2 or 3 models is there. Inshallah, try to finish today. Okay, so yesterday's class you guys understand na? The single staircase and common staircase.
Yes, sir.
If you have any kind of doubts, now only you can able to ask. Okay, when we moved front, we cannot able to come back again. Okay, have any kind of doubts related to yesterday's class, you guys can able to ask. Okay, no
Assalamualaikum,
problem.
sir.
If you
Sir.
if you can able to speak in Urdu, English, Telugu, you better which language you want to speak, you can able to speak. Okay.
Any language I'm
Ji.
comfortable, sir.
Okay. Yeah, you have any kind of doubts yesterday's class?
Yes, sir. I'm trying my best to draw it, but that staircase I'm not able to draw properly, sir. That's the
No,
reason
you
I
should,
didn't complete my assignment.
this section you cannot able to draw.
The staircase, sir,
Okay,
and
okay.
uh, and my system is also not working, so I'm just trying on the paper. So I'm not able to draw it properly, sir.
If you have my last time also I told you, if you have any kind of doubts related to this class, in the class you cannot able to ask me, you can feel free to ask me in by phone or WhatsApp. Okay. How you can able to comfortable, you can able to call me. Why? Because lot of students, they are calling me in separate
Hello,
and asking me in a personal
hello,
WhatsApp. Okay,
hello,
you also can able to ask me. Okay.
sir.
Hello,
Your voice is breaking, sir. Not
my voice is
hello.
breaking. I think some network issue. Okay. Why? Because since 2 days our weather was too much bad because of rain. That's why the network was my voice was breaking. It was not coming clear. Okay.
Yes,
Atia
sir.
Muhammad, if you have any kind of doubts related to yesterday's class, you can able to ask me after finishing our class. Okay. If you want to call me, you can call me in the morning hours also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Today we'll continue our class. Okay. Now,
Thank you.
yesterday we completed up till three types of staircase. Okay, one common staircase. Okay, second one spiral staircase, third one single staircase, and again we repeated common staircase, but the sizes was different. First time we drawn in that plan, you can able to see here we were given 4 feet and here will be given 3 feet 6 inches. Okay, that is one type of common staircase. This also one type of common staircase. Why? Because the only dimensions are different but whole size is same. Okay, now today I'll show you this one. This was L-shaped staircase. Okay, the word L you can able to see like this. Okay, this type of staircase we have to create whenever you are attending a class. Okay, जब कभी भी आप ये staircase के sizes को आप देख रहे हैं, मैंने आपको एक बॉक्स, मतलब आप schedule of staircase type of staircase का एक बॉक्स मैंने व्हाट्सअप किया था पीडीएफ में. You guys can able to open that PDF while the class was going on. You can able to see in that schedule and वो schedule को देखते हुए अगर आप class attend करेंगे तो it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, kindly open that PDF. Okay, calculate 5 staircase in this sheet.
Okay,
The
sir.
made in boxes. Okay, number one,
Okay.
in that box you can able to see 1 to 5. Okay, height of the building, roof thickness, riser size, tread size, main landing, mid landing, and type of staircase. In that using this schedule we can able to easily we can able to draw. Okay, you open that. How many members open? Kindly unmute yourself and tell me. Fahama, you
Yes, sir.
open?
Open करें.
Aisha Siddiqa?
Yes, sir. Open करें.
Qayyum Faiz?
No, sir.
Abdul Basit? Kindly open that
No, sir.
PDF which I sended. Atia Muhammad, you also open that PDF. And Muhammad Shoaib Ahmad Ali, you also open that PDF. And Furqan and Sayyid Naeemuddin Ahmad, Naeemuddin sir, and Ghaus sir. Okay, you all have opened kindly that PDF which I sent it. related to staircase. Calculate 5 staircase in this PDF, in this sheet. Okay. For your understand, I'll also took that sheet. Okay. See this one. You guys can able to see this sheet.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is our L-shaped staircase. Okay. Here you can able to see fourth number, serial number fourth. Okay. In that you can able to see L-shape type of staircase, L-shape. Okay. Here our mid landing was starting, main landing was starting from here. You guys can able to see main landing size how much? 3 feet 3 inches. Okay. See here. Okay. I took the staircase sizes also same. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to reduce, you can able to reduce by 3 feet. What is the size of our mid landing? Can anyone tell me? What is the size of mid landing?
3 feet. 3 feet.
3 feet. See
3
here.
feet.
This is our mid landing. Okay. How much? You guys can able to see?
3 feet. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir. And you check in sheet. What is the size of our tread? What is the size of tread?
0 feet 10
feet
inches.
10 inches.
10 inches.
Okay. Here,
Okay.
the fourth one, our tread size. Okay. 0 feet 10 inches. This is our tread. Okay. See, 10 inches. Now we prepared. We don't know. By using line command, I drawn this staircase, L-shaped staircase. Okay. Now here, which staircase was left? We finished common staircase and common staircase, single flight and L-shaped staircase. Now we left open wall. Okay. Open
Well,
wall
okay.
will I'll send this plan and section in Word. Why? Because we did not have a lot of time to draw a section. Why? Because the same only section shape was same, but somewhat different in reeling. Okay, I'll send this drawing in our WhatsApp group. Okay, if you have any kind of doubts related to section, you can call me directly. Okay, don't hesitate
Okay,
to call me. Okay, now we will start our open wall, fifth one. Okay, I am taking line command. In that, how much outer wall size we will be giving? 9 inches.
9 inches.
And in this, kindly tell me what is the value of our mid landing? What is the value of mid landing?
3 inches. 3 feet 0 inches.
3 feet 6 inches.
Bahama, I could not hear. Kindly keep your mic nearer to your mouth. Okay, while you are speaking, we can able to hear your voice. Yeah, how much?
3 feet.
3 feet 6 inches.
6
6
inches.
inches.
Okay, I am taking from here. Okay, again, and what is the tread size?
1 feet 10 inches.
Tread size. Kindly see the sheet.
1 feet
Calculation sheet.
10 inches.
1 feet. 1 feet means it's 12 inches.
12.
sorry, sorry, how much? Thread size 1 feet. It means we have to give 3 feet. Okay. Now here also we given 3 feet. How much value we mention? Okay, 3 feet 6 inches. Here also you have to take 3 feet 6 inches. Okay. Now here we have to show a staircase dimension. Okay. Offset. Now I am giving here up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Top I am mentioning for on terrace, it's 4 feet. Okay. Now again I am here giving 9 inches outer wall. I am doing flat over here. Okay. Now here also same thing. I am giving how much? Okay. Here offset 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now here I am giving again 3 feet 6 inches. Now I am removing this one. I'm selecting these lines and this line. Okay. Now I am giving here 9-inch outer wall. Again I am doing flat. Okay. This one also I am doing flat. I did not want these lines. I am removing this one, and here also I am doing one. Okay. In this, can you tell me what is the main landing size? Main landing.
4 feet.
How much? 3 feet.
4.
Main
Main landing. 3 feet. 3
main
feet 6
landing
inches.
size.
3 feet 6
Okay.
inches.
3 feet 6 inches. Okay. This is our ground floor. Okay. In this, however, we can able to take any 3 feet or 4 feet. Mid landing size here we given 4 feet. That's why I took here 4 feet. See, here I took 4 feet. Okay. Now I am doing here flat. Okay. Now here we have to show a railing. What is the railing size? We will give 2 inches. Okay. Okay. Now here show it open. We will use break line command over here. ओके ये देखिए आपका कौन सा शेप हो गया ये ओपन वॉल शेप ओके ये एक टाइप का स्टेयरकेस होगा
Okay.
ग्रुप में मैं जल्दी पेस्ट कर दूंगा ओके और देखिए एक हम यहाँ पर बिफोकेटेड स्टेयरकेस बोल के है लेकिन वो हमको इसी स्केड्यूल पे करना है ओके मैं जस्ट इसमें हम जो सिंगल स्टेयरकेस लिए है ना, सेम पैटर्न, सेम वैल्यूज है, but shape was different. Okay, see here, I'll draw that one also. Just I am taking line command, giving here offset outer wall 9 inches, doing flit again, and in single staircase, what is the size of mid landing? We can able to give here 3 feet. Okay, as is there, main landing and mid landing was same. Okay, okay, 3 feet. And now here we have to give mid landing size, that is 3 feet over here, or else we can able to take here 6 inches, 3 feet 6 inches offset. How much our tread size in single flight? Tread size was 10 inches, offset 10 inches. Enter for continuation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, now here we have to provide how much our mid landing, same 3 feet. Okay, here we given again we have to give 10 staircase. Better if you want to copy, you can able to copy. Just you have to take line from center. You have to select these objects along with this wall. You have to place as mirror. Okay, खाली आपको मिरर लेना है, खाली यहाँ पर जैसा आप मिड लैंडिंग का वैल्यू यहाँ पर दे देंगे, तो ये लाइन से ये लाइन पर एक सेंटर लाइन लेना है हमको, सेम ऑब्जेक्ट यहाँ पर प्लेस कर देना है वॉल के साथ. ओके, अभी हम यहाँ पर फ्लिट कर लेंगे. ओके, फॉर दिस ऑल्सो. नाउ अभी हमने यहाँ पर 3 फीट ले लिया है, तो सेम हमको यहाँ पर भी हमको 10 लाइन्स मेंशन करना है. ओके, ऑफसेट, हाउ मच आवर ट्रेड साइज कितना है हमारा?
10 inches.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, this we have to take a line from here and here, and again you have to select both the lines and make it a trim. Okay, अभी ये लाइन्स 10 है तो हमको काउंट कर लेना है 10 है या नहीं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. ओके, 10 लाइन्स. अब इसके लिए हमको रीलिंग शो करना है. रीलिंग साइज दैट वाज 2 इंचेस. ओके, यहाँ पर ट्रिम. ओके, हियर अभी ये वॉल कंटिन्यूएशन में है, हमको यहाँ पर ब्रेक लाइन शो करना है. वी हैव टू शो हियर ब्रेक लाइन फॉर कंटिन्यूएशन वॉल. हाउ मच वॉल साइज वी डोंट नो. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग हियर ब्रेक लाइन कमांड अगेन. Okay, this is one type of staircase. Same thing. Now here same drawing but in different shape. Okay, again I am taking line command. We're using L. We don't know how much the wall size, but we'll be giving outer wall 9 inches. Again, little bit I'm extending this line. Okay. Now tell me, what is our main landing size in single flight? Main landing size was 3 feet. I'm taking here 3 feet. Okay. Again, I'm giving here how much? 10 lines. Offset I'm taking 10 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Offset, what is the size of a mid landing? Same, 3 feet. Okay. Again, you have to take mirror. Okay. Offset, I am giving here railing size, that is 2 inches. And what is our mid landing size? That is 3 feet. Okay. Here I am giving. Now here you have to remove these lines. Okay. Here you have to give again 10 lines. How much? Thread size, that is 10 inches. The continuation and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. We given 10 over here. Top we don't know how much. Here we will give 3 feet again. Okay. Now here we'll show our outer wall. Okay. We have to remove these lines. I'm making stretch by using stretch command. Okay. Same thing over here. This is our main landing. Main landing how much? 3 feet. Offset 3 feet. And 9 inches outer wall. Split. Little bit I'm increasing. Okay. This wall also we don't know. We have to give here break line command. Okay. Here we have to mention radian size. First you have to do trim. Again you have to do flat. ये ड्राइंग को देखकर आप लोग को काफ़ी से ज़्यादा सवालात मतलब क्वेश्चंस रेज हो रहे हैं कि कैसे आपने किया है, मतलब ये इसका कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है आप लोग को. ठीक है, मैं समझा देता हूँ. ये देखिए, ये हमारा लाइन इंडिकेशन, ये हम टॉप पर जा रहे हैं. ओके, the same thing using mirror. ओके, इसका 2 वेज है. ओके, यहाँ से हम जा रहे हैं, यहाँ से आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ से हम डायरेक्ट फर्स्ट फ्लोर. ये एक टाइप ऑफ स्टेयरकेस है. ओके, इसका भी इंशाल्लाह मैं सेक्शन भेजूंगा. और एक हमारे पास है लास्ट स्टेयरकेस, उसका मॉडल हम बनाएंगे. ओके, बाय यूजिंग लाइन कमांड. Again I am doing offset 9 inches outer wall, filter emitter. Okay. In this, I am giving common plus single, both type of staircase. Okay. Yeah. I am saying we have 8 minutes left. Inshallah, in that 8 minutes, I will try to finish.
वाला है टाइम वाले का भाई कोई तो लगा था बट अगला हाँ तो भाई से क्या है यूनिकॉर्न
Kindly unmute yourself. Mute yourself who are disturbing. Yes. Okay. यहाँ पे हम 3 feet
बोलना था
देंगे. Ayub Faiz, kindly unmute yourself.
बोलना था हेलो हेलो बोलो
Kindly.
यार आवाज
Okay. Again, I am giving here 9 inches of order wall. Okay. Now here I am giving thread size, that is 10 inches. Again, up to 10. I am giving 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Here mid landing I am giving 3 feet again. Okay. Now again I am giving here single staircase, that also 10 lines, 10 inch. Okay. Of thread I am giving 10 inches. Continuing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Again here I am giving 4 feet. 4 feet at top. Okay. Here we will show railing. Offset 9 inches. Front diameter. Okay. This type we prepared today. Okay. Inshallah, I will send whole section related to today's class. You can understand better. Okay. How many 5 types of staircase we created. Okay. You guys can able to understand related to today's class. If you have any kind of doubts, you can able to ask. We have more 3 minutes. Ayum Faiz. Fahama.
Yes, sir. Sir, what is
You have any
the
kind of doubt related
difference
to
between
today's class?
sir?
Yeah.
What is the distance between
सर व्हाट इज
Yeah,
दिस
this is one type of staircase. Okay. Here, this is a common staircase. Okay. Yesterday I shown you. Okay. In that we added another single flight. Okay. Attaching single flight. Like I'll show you. This is our this is our common staircase. Okay. I attached this both staircase in one model. मतलब ये कॉमन स्टेयरकेस का मॉडल है और एक सिंगल स्टेयरकेस का मॉडल है। जब हमने अटैच करके इसको मैंने क्या किया है, एक कंप्लीट वन टाइप ऑफ स्टेयरकेस में बना दिया है। ठीक है, यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं एक कॉमन स्टेयरकेस, ओके, इसके साथ ये सिंगल स्टेयरकेस का स्लाइड है। यहाँ पर देखिए ये सिंगल स्टेयरकेस, ओके, मतलब यहाँ से हम टॉप पर जा रहे हैं। ओके, यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शन है, आप यहाँ से भी ऊपर जा सकते हैं प्लस यहाँ से भी आप ऊपर जा सकते हैं। ओके, ठीक है, जाने का एक ही है, जब रिटर्न ऊपर जाने के लिए और 2 वेज हमने प्रोवाइड किए हैं, लेकिन जब आप ऊपर से जब नीचे आ रहे हैं एक ही स्लाइड है, नीचे एक ही आप नहीं कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, और कुछ
Okay,
है
sir.
आपको
Okay,
doubt?
sir. No, sir. Nothing.
ओके,
Sir, what is the size here?
अगर आपको रिलेटेड क्या बोले,
यहाँ पे size
आपकी वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही है हमा
what is the
जी।
size
यहाँ पर भी सेम है, यहाँ
of
पे
the reeling?
यहाँ पर ये जो साइज हमने लिया है 3 फीट है। ओके, 3 फीट है। इंशाल्लाह आई विल सेंड इन आवर ग्रुप whole dimension sizes I will mention. Okay, if you have any kind of doubts you can call me personal. Okay, now our class timing also finished. Inshallah we will meet tomorrow with new class. Okay, up till then, Allah Hafiz, take care of your health, stay safe, stay home. Okay, inshallah we will meet tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi